The company started as Harris Packaging, and there a gentleman by the name of Joe Harris started it back in 1976. And so a little 2,000 square foot facility, and he was good with people and good with sales, and so he grew. As he grew, certainly the whole dynamics of the place grew. Today, we're one of three. Harris Packaging has two facilities. One's a manufacturing, one's a warehouse situation. And then in 1992, Joe wanted to do folding cartons. So we're basically approaching 100 million. We're over $100 million company today. Our full service duties that we offer to people, we've had everything from people sending us something to design a box. So we go all the way from designing a box to producing the box and servicing the box in any way we can. So we can service our people. At the end of the day, we're not having to outsource all over the place. We're a one-stop shop and full service provider of our customers. Our relationship with, as I said, our partner, Komori. What a great feeling when you call one of your partners and they pick up a phone. Not everybody does that today. I've worked in the business 30 years. I never had a Komori press. I knew their reputation. I knew who they were, and certainly always wanted to work with them. And we're certainly going forward as looking at our third. We went out and looked up new presses and saw the new technology, and just really excited about being supported by Komori and a lot of our partners in our other areas of our plant too, but we have a great relationship with them.
The relationship with Komori is outstanding, frankly. I mean, every installation you have, there's always, issues, hiccups or whatever. And the Komori team has been an outstanding, very responsive group of individuals. When we've had issues, they have technical support readily available to us, either by telephone or in some instances, putting folks on airplanes and getting them down here. It's been an outstanding relationship. Particularly we have two Komoris in our facility. One of them's kind of showing its age, but the 640 GLX is a relatively new press for us. We get up to color relatively quickly on that machine. It's outstanding at holding color, and that gives us a great opportunity for repeatability and reproducibility. We can run the UV inks, the conventional inks. We run the foil board through there. We're really excited. We have went and explored other presses with the backside printing. So our next presses will be going down that road a little bit. But anyone can make a box, but not everybody can capture a brand. And I think it's a powerful statement to our customers. And that press right there will capture a brand.
What we have now with the GLX is, it's pretty much what we had on the L, but it's just maybe a couple of steps more advanced. The Komori technology has increased our productivity through our make-readies by 40%. The improvements that the GLX is from the Lithrone would definitely be on the feeder side and also on the delivery side also, but primarily on the feeder side is the way it handles the board. Sometimes you can get some flat sheets. Sometimes you get great loads that come in from sheeting department, but sometimes you would get some of the board would come in with wings, and Komori, this new machine has really shown that it can handle that type of stock. I've worked on Komoris for the better part of my career. I've been in this business for 31 years, and 20 of them were on Komori machines. I run other manufacturers, and Komori is one of my most favorite machines to work on.
The things I found beneficial about the GLX, the interface it has with pre-press is outstanding because, we get the electronic files, it goes right to the press, and it puts us in a position to, expedite our make-readies. And again, the reliability and reproducibility of the press, the technology associated with the press, it's outstanding. American Carton is working for our customers, offer to them something they can't get anywhere else, which is outstanding service, world-class quality, and just a partnership We look at our customers as our partners. We believe it's our responsibility to help take care of them